We interrupt this regularly scheduled program to bring you all a special news bulletin. Now, Matt Cox, a fellow YouTuber, has left a comment on one of my videos, and I saw this coming because I did a commentary on one of his videos, and he's stating that I'm teaching people how to commit fraud, and it's going to catch up with me. So what I'd like to do is make things 100% sparkling clear. What I say now is I do not condone fraud. My videos are for entertainment/education purposes only. Nothing you see in my videos are a call to repeat. You could get into trouble if you use some of the information that you see on my show or in my workshops. I would also like to take this moment to let everybody know when it comes to my workshops, do not buy my workshops if you intend on using them to commit fraud. Do not contact me asking me to hold your hand on how to commit fraud. I will not sell you fake documents. I am not going to do anything that is illegal. And I suggest you don't do anything that's illegal also. If you want to learn how this stuff works, that's one thing. But don't come to me, get upset if I don't hold your hand on how to rob the bank. Think of it like Jackass, you know, when they got like a snapping turtle biting Steve-O's wiener. You shouldn't actually do that. You know, it's entertainment only. You can watch them do it, but you shouldn't actually do it. But I think that what this is really about is it's not about a morality trip as far as, these people are doing something bad and, he's the reformed bad guy. So now he's, going to say, you should stop and all this. This is about views. Because let's face it, when YouTubers are making content, we need to think of some shit that people are going to want to watch. Every time we're making a video, we're like, I hope this gets a lot of views. I hope this gets subscriber count. I hope this gives my channel momentum for people to watch and follow because it's competitive out there. I mean, every swinging dick out there is a YouTuber now. Ever since the virus hit, it's like everybody's, hey, what's up guys? What's up guys? I mean, you got grandmas have YouTube channels now. It's easy to do. All you need is a cell phone and it's very competitive. And there are very few niches that haven't been filled. Now, when I started my channel, there was a niche there that hadn't been filled yet. No one was talking about credit profiles. No one was talking about that kind of stuff. Now, since then, there's been an explosion of YouTubers wearing masks, talking about CPNs. I can't help but take credit for that. And that's fine, hey, that just shows, what I was doing was something that people wanted to hear about and see. And imitation is the highest form of flattery. But what I'm gonna say is that if, you're gonna be in this space, you can't try to say, oh, well, these people are doing something bad.
If you follow Bandman Kevo, please copy the link and send it to him and let him know that, what he's doing is illegal and that he needs to stop.
It's like, in Matt Cox, in his videos, he talks about things that he got away with. He interviews people.
About synthetic IDs before.
Listen, if I was going to do a scam, I would love it. I just build up the credit and borrow the money and just keep going and going. Mm-hmm. That's a great scam because you almost never get detected. You almost never go under.
People could easily take that information and then use it to commit crimes or fraud. Easily. So it's like, it's hypocritical to be like, oh, well, they need to stop talking about it. And then when they go in and they start talking about, what to do. It's almost like, don't listen to them. Listen to me, because he wants views. He doesn't like the competition. Well, it's going to be competitive. Being a YouTuber is competitive, and coming up with content that people actually want to watch it can be challenging at sometimes. Controversial topics are those usually get a lot of views. Topics, I mean, hell, when I put CPN in one of my videos, I'm going to say right now, that video gets more views than ones that I don't. That's a fact. It's what people want to hear. It's what people want to know about. So that's what I've got to give to them. And I'm sure Matt's doing the same damn thing. He put Bandman Kevo, he's got like 1 million Bandman Kevo videos. Why? Because Bandman Kevo, people are searching for that. So if they see a video that he's doing on Bandman Kevo, they're more likely to watch it. And then, oh, who's this Matt Cox guy? So he can get discovered. It's like, but I mean, here's the thing. If you're going to make a video about someone, have content in it. Don't just put, oh, Bandman Kevo is, he needs to be stopped, or confronting him, and then don't even talk about Bandman Kevo. You go in and show some old video that doesn't have anything to do with him, and then at the end of it be like, oh yeah, I'm calling you out.
I would actually pay for the plane ticket to fly him in and out, put him up in a decent place too, and put him up in a decent place because I know he's never gonna come.
But it's like, that makes no sense. I mean, that's just like a shameless clickbait. You know what I mean? It just shows that the content's weak. That's what it shows. And yeah, I mean, am I gonna make a video and in response to that to call him out? Yeah. Did I do that because both YouTubers have a following and they're gonna see it and they're gonna discover me from it? Probably, yeah. Sure, yeah. It's controversial. I mean, yeah, hell yeah. But I mean, I'm gonna openly say what I'm doing. I'm not gonna be like, oh yeah, on this morality trip. You know what I mean? That I'm not gonna do. So just wanted to clear the air with all that stuff. I do not condone fraud. I do not condone using CPNs to lie in applications and to get a bunch of cell phones or whatever and run it up and then not pay it back. I don't condone any of that stuff. And if I were in a situation where I needed to get a credit profile, a new credit profile, I would go to the government, to the Social Security Administration, and get a new number, because you can legally do that. But I would do that under the guidance of a lawyer. That's just my 2 cents. So now that I got that all cleared up, I gotta get going. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Crusader out.